Your butt's natural, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
totally natural.
Yeah,
The only
it
thing fake on my body is my and nose.
Oh, you did a nose.
Yeah.
Every girl does the nose.
Was your nose like mine before?
Nah. No, it was pretty similar. For me, it was more for like health because I.
You can
Oh,
breathe.
okay. So it's the septum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So with you.
That's what the excuse every girl does.
Yeah.
I didn't do it for plastic surgery. I needed it.
Yeah, that's very.
Like, because I couldn't breathe. Like, I was like a little on the left. It was weird. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very fun. By the way, when you're shopping for, because obviously whoever did a great job. But
But I've done them twice. The first one, they were like too separate.
Yeah, chameleon eyes.